Hey everybody, how are you? Today is Tuesday, May 1st, and I am in a challenge with a bunch of channels from Janscrazylife. Janscrazylife is hosting this challenge, and we have to create something every day in the month of May. So in addition to some hauls, I'll be throwing up, which I usually do anyway, a craft. So today I am going to be working on an embellishment box. I'm not going to torture you with how I make it. I'm just going to show you the beginning of it, then I'll probably show you the middle of it, and then I'll come back and show you the end, and then I'll be done for the day. So the woman I'm hauling with, her name is Connie, swapping with, for an embellishment box swap. She says she, is a Christian, and she loves anything religious. So once she told me that, I knew I was using this paper pad. So I'm going to just begin. I'm going to videotape my entire process, but I will edit it out and give you just the meat and potatoes. All right, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Keep watching. Back, and the embellishment box is just about done. And when I try to personalize something that I make, I try to give out something that really is personable to the person I'm giving it to. So I figured Connie likes to make things, so just like I did with the other girls that I did swaps with, I make them their own creative labels. So this is for Connie. Hey everybody, I'm back. And I am finished. And I love, love, love the way it came out. So, like I showed you the paper pad that I used, I took out one of the journaling cards and I layered it with a matching color. I love the way these colors look. Then I took, remember I did this I think last week? These were the push pins from the Dollar Tree, and I cut the backs off of them. So I made embellishments out of them. Then this is a sticker from the Dollar Tree, and I actually used a beautiful ribbon that matched that teal green. This was also from the paper pad, and I wrapped it around. Look how pretty that looks, right? So sweet. And then I always put my little made with love. And this is also one of the flowers from the Dollar Tree. And I thought that this matched so great. Tell me that's not adorable. So when you open it up, I added that. And I added this for her. And I'm not gonna go through everything because it's just filled with lots of goodies. And I just wanted this I had to cut out twice, so how cute is this? And look how cute they came out. And the bows. Look at those. So this is my May 1st craft for the challenge that I'm in on Janscrazylife. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.